I'm actually gonna make it up while I say it. Off the top of the head for real. So check this out. Here we go. I flow for the top gunners. This is dedicated to all the runners. That's right, you can place your bet on me while I'm standing on Sunset. And Anita, time to feed your rhyme for sure. 6794. He gave me the high five with his glove. I'm on the microphone to come push to shove. I'm the best. Everybody I'm beating. They took a piece of orange and they started eating. They're in the line, it's not a circle. He's wearing blue and he's got purple. He ran by with the cup taking a sip. Rhymes coming out of my lip and my mouth. Look at him wearing aqua blue. On the microphone and I come through. He's got a hat and it says Los Angeles. Listen really close to my rhyme, can you handle this? Freestyle up the top of the head. He's got a pair of glasses, his shirt is red. He had a mustache, he had a cap. I'm on the microphone and I kicked the rap. She just took a cup, she started spilling. I'm on the mic and I'm making a killing. Freestyle, I was born to shock, born to talk. These are my boys, Slick Rock. He's got a jacket with the Raiders. I'm one of the rhyme invaders. He's got a bandana, it's the color white. I'm in full flight, just like a kite. That says Honda, I know you're fond of a rhyme like this. I'm the rhymatist, got the mic in my fist. Yo, Oscar, what's up? It's going down. I got the mic and a pound in the ground. He's got a tank top, non-stop. On the microphone, I never ever flip-flop. Because I rhyme all day. Drink that drink, Kane says LA. On his cap it's black, I rock the track that says Adidas. I'm fast like cheetahs, running through the jungle, the microphone rumble. Right now you know, and of course I'm humble. He starts spelling like the other kid did. This is freestyle, let me place my bid. She put the lid back on her cup. I'm fully grown cause I'm not no pup. Keep on running, you're almost done. Yeah, you know, boy, I'm having fun. Rapping to the runners that were born to run. When I'm on the mic, I'm one son of a gun that's in Southgate. Let me demonstrate. When I'm on the microphone, they can call me great. Cause I am on a jammer, you know this. I was born to be a rhymatist. She's got her hair up tight, it's blonde. And the microphone is my wand. Give me a high five, yo, we just did because he knows I can rhyme, I don't got a buzz, I keep it sober, yeah, I'm in the place to be. A freestyle fanatic on the MIC. I'm getting high fives in the place, rhyming right now over treble and bass. I rock the beat and it's complete. We saw Slick Rock, rhyme and bittersweet on the stage. You can flip the page. Right now you know I'm in a rage. His shirt said stop, but I can't stop. I'm not a stopper, I'm the floor of the hip hopper. That says Cadillac, no it says Carlisle. Listen to my rhyme, I'm gonna rap a while, make you smile. Take another sip, look at my man walking, but he can't run to the fast, to the end. This is a pretend I'm wrecking. This is mile 22nd. You almost done in the place to be. A freestyle for you, and it was done by me.